We have a bit of a problem. Welcome to Autofaze. In this video, this engine and transmission finally goes in the Nova behind me. It's been forever for you guys watching, but as you saw in the intro, we got a bit of a problem, and no, it's not my super long hair. According to my rudimentary calculations with my tape measure, you don't want to see me cut wood, by the way. This is roughly 33 inches. This from Holly 302-3, I believe is what I got, to intake 31.5 and some change. Doesn't leave me a lot of room for variance. I'm going to take the intake off, but before I do that, I'm going to modify the flex plate that I bought to fit the old cruddy TH350 torque converter. So you're probably wondering, how is a guy going to do that? Well, I'm going to use this Milwaukee, and I'm going to extend those hole openings down a little bit, and it'll be okay. Let's see what we got here. Actually, hold on just a second. Ugh. You know, the nicest thing on this transmission is probably the energy suspension transmission mount I put on it. There we go. Should give us enough wiggle room. So as you can see, they're just not gonna bolt up. We gotta oblong these a little bit, extend them down, and that's what we're gonna do. Not turning out so bad. Need to, of course, clean those up a little bit, but this is gonna work, you know. Just need to do this one. Probably not doing this the safest method. I mean, I already got a band-aid on this thumb. That's why I got my welding gloves on. And I wear these a lot, you know, with the grinder. I really like these compared to just your normal leather gloves. But shoot, let's do it. Isn't this pretty? Probably the sloppiest thing I've ever done instead of just actually buying one that fits. But hey, I'm saving $100. Smart guy probably would have bought a new converter to fix to fit this flex plate, but I'd rather use this converter from 1989. So here we are. I still need to water these holes out just a little bit more. Again, not the safest method for what I'm doing, but here we go. There we are. Fits like a glove. Time to take off the intake. Take manifold time. Absolutely love this 3/8 stubby, by the way. The thing is, well, of course now I'm talking about it. Take it off of setting 1. I absolutely love this thing. It's a beast. There we go. Ooh, yummy! Yummy, yummy. Yeah, I think we'll reuse the gasket. I need to put this somewhere. I did not prepare for this. Arg. Look at all this fun stuff in here. They got some rad decaying leaves. I will definitely carefully clean this. Or should I just leave it? Should I just leave it and install it like that? Oh man, decisions. So since I'm doing this myself, I'm going to go ahead and remove the headers. That way this is as light as possible. So when I suspend it over there and try and move it around and drop it by myself, it's as light as can be. And man, I'm excited to... There's gonna be so much room in the garage. Once this engine goes in, this transmission goes in, the WS6 transmission goes in, because I mean, it's just been kind of like a loading dock of car parts, which is awesome. But man, just looking around here, there's so much more room for activities once this stuff goes in. So let's go ahead and grab the headers off, and from there I'm going to show you the plan for the transmission. So here's what I'm thinking for the transmission. I'm going to ratchet strap it on a transmission jack, and I'm thinking about bringing the transmission in, scooting it up towards the engine bay, and then bringing it back towards the crossmember. Go ahead and mounting it in the crossmember, and then leaving the jack on it, and then installing the engine. That is my plan. The crossmember on the Nova bolts on top of the frame there, instead of underneath, and so you really can't install it all as one unit. So that's what I'm thinking. I think that's the easiest plan of attack. So let's do it. Uh-oh. Well, I didn't account for that. Crap. Dang it. I wonder if I can go in through the front. Nope. Okay. So in hindsight, I think it would have been better to put the crossmember in, or take the crossmember out, position the transmission, hook up the transmission mount, and then jack the whole thing and leave it loose, and then slide the crossmember in. That's what we did to take it out. Probably would have been smarter to do that to put it in, but here we are. We are already positioned. Hitting on. I'm hitting on something. No? There we go. Okay. Alright, transmission is in! Yes! Think we can bust these off with the impact? Let's find out. Okay, 15 it is. Nice. Oh yeah, there we go. So we'll go there, we'll go back to here. I got a really good spot on the front of it now. There we go. Let's go back down to here. There we go. Let's go to here. There we go. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna double check all these real quick. Boom. 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 Come on. Boom. 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 All right, let's install an engine. Woo! This is a pretty tight area. Hopefully everything goes fine. And here we go. I gotta push and swing it in at the same time, so this should be interesting. Easy. Alright. Oh, we're getting close. The moment we've been waiting for a long time. Just a little bit more. Come on now, work with me. Work with me. There we go. There we go. All right. So, gonna go straight in. Okay, there we go. Slowly but surely. Oh shit, hit the light bulb. Oof. I hit the light. Okay, I gotta scoot it over. There we go, there we go. Okay. Looking better. Now let's slowly lower this thing. See what we need to do. Easy. We're getting very close. What are you doing down there? Driver's side bolt is in. I don't know if you can see that with the GoPro. So we definitely need to come down a little bit. Oh, I think that was too much. I think that was way too much. I can't tell. I need like a step stool. Yeah, I need to jack it up just a hair. Yeah, jack it up a little bit. Come on. Man, I feel it. It's right there. Come on. There she is. It's in! The engine is in! Yes! Woo! All right. So now, just need to bolt up the transmission, and we're good to go. Tightening the bell housing bolts now. I'll probably leave the Dirty Dingo sliders loose just until I get the drive shaft on, see if I need to move anything back. I did adjust these transmission, adjusted the transmission up just so I could clear the heater core. I was having some issues. I don't know if you can see that up there, way up there. So I had some issues hitting the lower heater core hose hookup. So we're almost done here, and man, I am excited. Well, we got another problem. I don't think the factory TH350 dipstick tube is gonna work. All right, engine transmission is in the Nova. Man, this thing is, we're gonna be making some massive progress on this in the next couple weeks. I got everything buttoned up. I am gonna have to address that TH350 dipstick tube. I'm pretty sure it went in the passenger side top transmission hole. There's no way that's gonna work now. I'll have to go back and look at some old photos and make sure that's where it was, but I'm pretty positive that's where it was at, and there's no way it's gonna fit. So I need to address that, but besides that, engine and transmission are finally in. Man, I'm excited. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.